Verizon router blue light blinking. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to fix Verizon router blue light blinking. So let's get started. First, check all cable connections. Make sure the power cable is firmly plugged into both the router and wall outlet. Then verify that all Ethernet cables are securely connected. If your router uses a coaxial cable, ensure it is tightly connected to the wall and router. You have another option and that is power cycle the router. Unplug the router from power and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and allow the lights to stabilize. Also check device connection attempts. Make sure your devices are trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And if setting a new device, confirm that you are following the correct pairing on connection steps. If needed, reset the router. Find the reset button on the back and then press and hold it with a pin or paperclip for 10 seconds. This restores factory settings, so you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi name and password afterward. Also check for firmware updates if all the issues and steps are not working. Then log into your router's admin page and look for any available firmware updates and install them if required. If the blue lights is still blinking after all troubleshooting steps, reach out to Verizon customer support for further help. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix Verizon router blue light blinking issue.